Good morning, everybody. Has this day finally come? Has this day finally come? I am filming a what I eat in a day. This video has been so highly requested that I figured it's about time. I feel like I've been putting it off because most days are very hectic for me. I'm a teacher, for those of you who don't know, or if you're new to my channel. So I work all day, and then I do have a second job that I go to after work. So all of my meals have to be prepped beforehand. I usually do it the night before, or sometimes I'll prep Sunday for the whole week. But lately I've been just prepping the night before, which has worked out well. Also, I would like to preface this video by saying I really want to start filming these videos regularly. However, I am not a nutritionist. I am not a professional in the health field. This is just what I eat. This is what worked for me to lose the 72 pounds. I have been at a standstill for a while because I haven't been really giving it my all. I've been really lax with my exercise and what I eat. Lately, I will warn you also that this video, maybe I'll have something that's unhealthy, I don't know. Lately, I've just been kind of living life, not getting on the scale, kind of counting calories, and I've been pretty much at a standstill. So that's where I'm at now, just to get that out of the way. Also, if I do film these videos regularly, you'll notice that some mornings I eat breakfast and some mornings I don't. I've been really trying to just listen to my body. If I'm not hungry, I'm not gonna force myself to eat. So I'm doing what's best for me. So this morning, I'm really not that hungry, so I am just making myself a cup of breakfast blend coffee. Let's go. The creamer I use is 15 calories for 1 tablespoon. So I'm putting 1 sweet and low in my coffee. And I made the biggest cup on my Keurig, so that way I don't want my coffee super super so it kind of, you know, dissolves in there. And I actually measure out 1 tablespoon of creamer. Like I said, 15 calories. The reason why I'm okay some mornings skipping breakfast is because I bring a snack to work and I eat it around 10 o'clock and I have to be at work at 8:45, 9. So it's like, I can't wait another hour, come on. Knowing that I'm going to want a snack around 10 o'clock, I am going to quickly prep a little snack here at home. That way it's ready to eat at work. I don't have too many breaks at work, so I want to make sure everything is ready to go. I am using this Too Good yogurt. It only has 2 grams of sugar. It's 80 calories for the whole thing of yogurt, and total fats are 2, and it is strawberry flavored Greek yogurt. So I will usually just open that bad boy up and pour it into a Tupperware. Then I'm going to cut up just 3 big strawberries, and I'll put a few blueberries on top of the yogurt. So yogurt on the bottom, fruit on the top. This is what my snack will look like at about 10 o'clock. What is up, everybody? It is now 1 o'clock. I just got home. I'm on lunch right now. On Thursdays, I'm so lucky because my students leave at noon, so I get a little bit longer of a lunch, which means I usually come home to make a lunch. So I'm going to make a grain bowl. Last night, I prepped some quinoa. I did 1/4 of a cup of dry quinoa with, I think, 3/4 of a cup water. And I put that in my rice maker. So I have the quinoa here that I just heated up. So good. And I'm going to actually get a bigger bowl because we're gonna add some stuff to this. So I got a bowl here, and I'm going to pour all of the heated up quinoa into the bowl. Okay, to this I am adding some of this spinach and spring mix just right on top. Okay, so then right on top of the lettuce, I'm going to add some of these pickled red onions. I did this the other night. It's just warm water, apple cider vinegar, sugar, and salt, and you just let it soak in there. They are so good. Oh my God. So I'm gonna add some of these right on top. These are so good. Your breath will stink, but that's okay. Worth it, am I right? So that's what that looks like so far. I had some grilled chicken already prepped, so I'm going to weigh this out so I know how much I'm putting on there. And it's about 2 ounces. So when I put it into MyFitnessPal, I'll just make sure that it's 2 ounces. Because usually I think I do 3 or 4 ounces of chicken, but this is all I have, so this will do. Going right on top. Last but not least, for toppings, I'm going to add goat cheese. I love, 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 love goat cheese. A lot of people do not like goat cheese, but I just think it tastes so freaking good. So I'm adding this to my bowl. And for a 1/4 of this, it is 70 calories. Well worth it. I already used some of it yesterday. So I'm just going to kind of eyeball a 1/4. Super like crumbly. Okay, and then for dressing, I'm just going to put some of this Bolthouse Farms cilantro avocado yogurt dressing. This stuff is amazing, and it's 40 calories for 2 tablespoons. So I don't know how many tablespoons yet. I've been doing this so long, I kind of can eyeball a tablespoon. So I'm gonna aim for a tablespoon. So this is what it looks like as of now. We have the pickled onions, the goat cheese, the chicken, the dressing, the spinach and spring mix, and then down at the bottom, the quinoa. So I am going to mix all of this up so it's like just a giant mixture of deliciousness, and I'm going to enjoy. I had this the other day and it was so bomb, so I already know how good it is. So this is what I'm having for lunch. For my drink, I'm just having a nice big old glass of water. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's like, how do you forget your keys, girl? All right, it is a couple hours later. For lunch, I had that quinoa like grain bowl. And I feel like something, I'm not hungry, but I just feel like something sweet. So one of my favorite snacks for when I just want something sweet are these Special K pastry crisps. I am obsessed with the red velvet ones. They are only 100 calories, and inside you get 2 crisps. I'm on my way to go get my nails filled because, girl, come on. But let me open it and show you what they look like. So it just looks like this. There's just 2 thin, it's gonna break. 2 thin crisps that look like this. Oh my God. And inside there's like almost like icing. It's like gooey on the inside. But these are so good. Like I said, only 100 calories. And they're freaking delicious. I know they have strawberry, which I have those also. I just like the red velvet ones the best. They're freaking addicting though. Whew, it is 4 o'clock now, and I am hungry. I'm not starving, but I think I'm gonna make myself like some peanut butter toast with maybe sliced banana on it. So I just put a piece of this toast in the toaster. This is Dave's Killer Bread. Let me show you. So this is what I use. This is Dave's Killer Bread, 60 calories a slice because it is thin sliced. 60 calories, 1 gram of fat, 3 sugars, 3 proteins, and what else? 12 carbs. Even though I don't count all that stuff, I just kind of worry about calories. Because I have so many calories left for the day, which I wasn't planning on doing that. That's not, in my opinion, a good idea to save all your calories for the end of the day. I'm gonna use regular peanut butter instead of PB2. This has definitely way more calories in it because it's just regular old peanut butter, but I use the Home Plate creamy peanut butter. It's just 4 simple ingredients. This stuff is so good. You can get it on Amazon or Target. For 2 tablespoons, it's 190 calories. And then I'm going to slice bananas on the top. I'll probably only use 1/4 of a banana. Alright, so here is my delicious peanut butter and banana toast. I love this as a little snack. It is, like I said, 4 o'clock. Usually I eat dinner around 6, between 6 and 7. And I'm gonna eat dinner tonight when Carlos gets home, which is around 7:15. So I definitely need a little snack until then. So for dinner on this night, I had 1 cup of Spanish rice, which was about 215 calories. And then I just heated up some carnitas that I got from a Mexican restaurant the night before. And I had about 6 ounces of that, which was 315 calories. And then I, of course, heated it up. And to put on top, I had some of this delicious avocado salsa that's only 5 calories for 2 tablespoons. It is so good, and I get mine from Safeway. And then to go with that, I had some just regular salsa, also from Safeway, which is also 5 calories. Absolutely love those 2 salsas. And then, of course, it's not a meal without sour cream, so I use this fat-free sour cream, which is 20 calories for 2 tablespoons. So that was it for this What I Eat in a Day. Usually I do try to hit 1,600 calories. On this particular day, I only hit 1,475, but throughout the week, I usually make up for it. Some days I might go a little bit over my 1,600 calories, so I'm not usually too worried about it. If you guys liked this video and would like to see more What I Eat in a Day videos, leave me a comment down below, give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.